Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop receiving unwanted messages on Pinterest. Whether it's from followers, people you follow, or others, this step-by-step guide will help you take control of your Pinterest inbox and stop distractions. Let's first open the Pinterest app and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Next, tap Social Permissions. Under this section, you'll find Message Settings. Here, you can choose who can send you messages. To stop receiving messages, select the group you want to block messages from. For example, you can choose Everyone Else to block messages from anyone you're not directly connected with. Once selected, simply choose the Don't Deliver option to stop messages from this group. You can do this for followers, people you follow, or others. By following these steps, you can make sure your Pinterest inbox stays clear of unnecessary messages, helping you focus on what matters most. And that's it. You've now learned how to stop unwanted messages on Pinterest. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.